So guys, I thought I'd jump in before I post this video. Don't mind the room behind me. So this video was meant to be up on the 30th of December for New Year's, and as you can tell in my voice, I ended up coming down with the worst flu ever, and it was probably a blessing, because on site from, I think it was the 30th, we had loads of electric problems. There was loads of electrics not working, so some people had electric in the caravan, some didn't, and the barn kept going on and off, and then it felt like it corrected itself and everything was fine. On New Year's Eve, we was getting ready for the barn. We've been up there since 8 in the morning and getting everything ready. I was going to put a few clips of the night at the end of this video, but we had more electric issues and the barn kept tripping and just going into complete darkness. So by 7:30 we decided that it was too dangerous to have the barn party, the New Year's Eve party. So as you can tell, that went down like a lead pencil with everybody. Well, not everybody, but a few certain people. So that didn't happen. And then obviously with doing all that, I've not had time to edit this video and have it up for New Year's Eve. So because I've filmed it, and obviously I haven't had time to film another video for this week because I've been so poorly, guys, and so deflated with everything that's been going on site. Obviously the other wardens left on the 23rd, so we've been literally run off our feet all Christmas, Boxing Day, New Year's and all that. Obviously we went to Tony's brother's Boxing Day, and that was lovely, and we just chilled with family and stuff, but I still wanted to get this video up. It's not the greatest, to be honest. I wished I'd have done something else with the makeup, but I didn't want to miss an upload, especially the first week in January. So I want to say Happy New Year to you guys, and I hope you enjoy the video, and I will be back to my usual uploads every Sunday at 6 PM. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a really gorgeous pre-Christmas. New Year is literally in a couple of hours. While I'm filming this video, New Year is in a couple of hours. We'll be going from 2025 into 2026. I'll shout the love to everybody who's watching my video. Thank you for clicking on. Today's video is a really special one. I'm so excited. I'm literally so excited to be working and collaborating with Dossier again in this video. If you've been here for a while, you guys know this brand I've worked with before and genuinely love them. I absolutely love them. So it feels really special to be able to partner with brands that I actually use and keep coming back to. So if you've never heard of Dossier before, they are known for creating high quality, long lasting fragrances that are inspired by iconic luxury scents. It's much more than that. It's so much more than that. They've got an absolutely amazing price point, so accessible. I love how transparent and thoughtful they are as a brand. So I'll take you through some of the scents that I've been loving and on a day-to-day and why they become such a staple in my routine. And as always, everything I share is my honest opinion. So let's get into it, guys, and let me show you the 3 that I've been loving to death just lately. So the first one is Spicy Vanilla. This is such a warm, comforting scent. It's sweet but not overpowering, and with that cozy vanilla base and subtle spice that makes it feel grown, soft and effortless. This is definitely one of those fragrances I reach for in the evening. I'm probably going to botch up this name, but I love the perfume. So the second one is Spicy Vetera, which is a little deeper and more earthy. It has that clean woody edge but still feels really sensual and sophisticated, and I want something a bit more mature and grounded. It's not too heavy, but it definitely makes a statement. So this is my third one, the Forgue Oud. sorry if I'm botching that up, which is probably the boldest out of all the three. This feels so rich, slightly smoky and very luxe. It's one of those scents that people always ask about when I'm wearing it. Absolutely adore Dossier. I wear them all the time. So if you want to try them out, I will leave the link and my code on screen for you guys to try out Dossier. They have got some amazing discounts at the minute. I hope you enjoyed today's video. So if you want to see how I got this New Year's Eve makeup look, then keep on watching, guys. So guys, I'm jumping straight in with the brows done. To save some time, I've just used my normal brow pencil, the one from Temu, and they got to be glued brow gel. Then I've just used a little bit of this concealer, which is the Essence concealer, just to prep and carve out the brows. New Year's Eve 2025, cheers. I hope you've got your Prosecco as well. And I just thought we'd sit down together. I've just finished work and this will be my last video of 2025, and what a year it has actually been on here, guys. I love you guys so much. All the love that you guys have put into my videos, it literally means the world to me. As always, I'm not going to be doing the clothing because I'm going to be in my uniform when I'm on site for New Year, so I haven't bought an outfit, so that's that. And the hair is most likely going to be chucked up because I am going to be so busy. You know that I love Beauty Bay palettes. The Richie Rich palette is one of my faves. I don't really delve into it much these days because I don't really wear a lot of makeup, to be honest. But I'm looking at like these nice browns and dark berries. So I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. Like I said, I've already prepped the eyes, so I'm going to go in with a light brown and I'm just going to swiggle that into the outer corner. I don't think I'm going to wear anything too heavy. I don't think I'm going to go in too heavy with the makeup on New Year's Eve, to be honest. My makeup, but as for going like crazy, I don't do that these days. But I do love the good 2016 cut crease like everybody else. So have you guys had a lovely Christmas? Me and Tony had a really quiet one because obviously we were on call on Christmas Day. We only had one arrival, so it wasn't too bad, and I think they came around about 12 and we had dinner at 2 o'clock, and yeah, it was really nice, really quiet. I'm just going to use a brush with nothing on it and just blend. And yeah, so we literally chilled out on Christmas Day, to be honest. Boxing Day we went to Tony's brother's, so we dropped Maisie off at Tony's mum and dad's because that's where Maisie's like sisters and siblings are. So she was quite happy to go there for just an overnight stay. And then from there we went to Tony's brother's and we spent the night. We had a few drinks, we did like party buffet food and stuff. How was your guys' Christmas? Did you guys have a nice Christmas? Because I know Christmas sometimes can be quite hard for people, especially if you're going through like mental health or, you know, grief and stuff like that. It can be really hard to celebrate Christmas, to be honest, especially if you haven't got certain loved ones around you anymore. That can be really hard. So I do know that sometimes Christmas is not joyful and it can be quite painful for people. That is the case for some people, but just know that there are people around you and they do love and care about you. Even if people don't show it on a day-to-day basis, you will be in someone's mind and they will be thinking about you. I saw this and I thought it looked like the NYX glue, glitter glue. Obviously it's off Temu. So I'm just going to whack a bit of this on the lid, and I've got like a loose pigment that I'm going to use. Have you guys got any plans for New Year's? Because like I say, I'm going to be working. So I'm going to be working in the barn on New Year's Eve. It's alright, it's quite fun actually, once we've got like sold all the raffle tickets, because my god, the raffle tickets can be a little bit like people will be like throwing money at you for the raffle tickets. And then we obviously draw the raffle and we do a game of bingo. So it is really fun. And Tony will be doing the burgers and the sausages and stuff. So yeah, I mean, it is all fun. It's not all doom and gloom. It is all fun. I've got jacket potatoes in, I mean, on a different tangent. I've got jacket potatoes in the oven, in the air fryer. So I'm looking forward to that because I've not had anything really to eat this one today. So it's like a silver. Oh no, it didn't. I'm just gonna pat that on the lid. Oh, she's very pretty. I think this will be the one on New Year's Eve. Oh, I like that. Oh, look, that. Look. Liner. So this is the Magic liner from Magic, I think. And I'm just going to do a tiny little wing. And then I've been loving this. So this is the Wonder Skin eyeliner in Licorice, and I'm just gonna do like tight lining just on that outer edge. I'm not gonna wear lashes, guys. I just can't be bothered, to be honest. I don't do lashes anymore. That looks really pretty. I might just smoke that lower lash line out though. For mascara, I've been loving using this MAC Stack mascara, so I'm gonna use that. Like I said, I'm not gonna go in with eyelashes because I never wear them and they're just so irritating. So you know this dry ass face is going to need some moisture, so I'm going to be using the Harua Wonder Essence. Guys, don't sleep on this stuff. It is such a good product and I'm obsessed. I want to try some more things from this brand because it is just beautiful. Primer, I'm going to be using the Beauty Crops Oui Cherie. This one, especially if you want to keep your makeup on like all night long, definitely get a grippy primer. Speaking of foundation, the one that I'm going to be using and falling in love with since the day I've got it, guys, this is all I've been wearing, is the Wonder Skin All Day Stay, and this guy stays all day. Okay, it's amazing. I've got mine in the shade Echo and it's the perfect shade for my skin tone. I'm just going to take my beauty blender and blend that all in. I'm going to go in with the concealer and pop that in the normal areas, so just down the sides of my nose. I think I'm running out of this. Leaving it under my eyes just a tad longer, not too long because I do have dry skin, and if I leave it too long I'll be creasing. Cream bronzer, I'm going to be using my Made by Mitchell Curve Case. Absolutely love this, and I'm going to be mixing them all together. I'm going to literally just tap my brush in all the bronzy shades, and like I showed you in the last video, I tap it on here, which is gross, but it works. And then I'm just gonna use tapping motions just to tap it everywhere that I need. And then I just get my sponge and blend it. These little blushes off Temu, don't sleep on them, guys. They're literally like the, is it the Refi? I think it's Refi. But oh my god, these are a dupe. I've not actually tried the original, but by the looks of them and what I've seen of other people using them, they're by far the most gorgeous little blushes. And literally just put that on there. How stunning is that shade? And then we just need to set it all in place. So this powder I have been obsessed with. It's the Beauty Crop Pore Filter Primer, and I've got mine in translucent powder, guys. And because it's a pore blurring primer, it literally sets your makeup to perfection. So I'm going to go in with this Huda Beauty bronzer. This is the Glow Wish and it's in 01 Light. I'm literally hitting pan on this, guys. It is such a gorgeous bronzer and it's not too much. With the same blush brush from before, with the cream blush, I just go over it a little bit, just stamping that on, because you can use it over powder, which is so good, and your blush is the first thing to like disappear off your face, so pack that on. I've got all that powder on my face. I'm going to go in with this setting spray. This is another one from Beauty Crop. It's the Wee Cherie Setting Mist, and it just brings everything back to life. So good. That feels so refreshing. I like to go bold on my lips because I've gone a little bit neutral on the eyes. I'm going to go a little bit more bolder with the lips. So as before, I'm going to use this lip liner from Temu. So it just says it's a lip contour 2.0. I'm going to use the Fenty gloss, and then guys, I'm going to use this. I bought this weeks ago off TikTok shop, and it's the Maybelline lipstick, and it's in the shade 004 Wild Card, and I just thought, you need to have a wild card on New Year's Eve, so gorgeous colour to have underneath. Go in with the Maybelline lipstick. Like, how stunning. It's a gorgeous red. Tis the season. I mean, you could just leave it matte if you want to wear a matte lip, but I love a gloss, so I'm going in with my Fenty lip gloss. Cheers guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, because there's lots coming in 2026 guys, and hit that notification bell so you're updated every time I upload a video, which is usually every Sunday at 6 PM, but the last couple of uploads have been a bit all over the place, but we will be back to normal scheduling. So cheers, happy new year, and I will see you in 2026 guys. I love you so much. Bye.